Smothered grilled chicken on the Blackstone. Let's get it. This is one of the first recipes I ever started making, inspired by Texas Roadhouse. In case you haven't noticed, I start almost every cook with bacon up right on the griddle. It's real bacon fat, sold in this container in stores. You can also find it in my Amazon storefront using the link in my bio. Starting with our vegetables today, I have 1 whole sweet onion, 2 bell peppers, and 1 container of sliced baby bella mushrooms. We're gonna add some butter and some salt and pepper. These grinders and the spatula holder can be found in the Amazon storefront link in my bio. And then a little bit of garlic powder. Sometimes we'll leave the vegetables with just that. Today I'm gonna add some W sauce. Now for the chicken, I had 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I sliced them thinner and I put my favorite marinade on them for about 5 hours today. The key to juicy chicken is 165 degrees. So I have my Thermopin here. I'm gonna be checking the temperature throughout the cook. Here's a closer look at the vegetables and then of the chicken with that beautiful color. When the chicken's closer to being done, I like to combine them all together to get some of the flavor from those vegetables cooked into the chicken. It also helps keep the chicken from drying out. I'm gonna take a quick temperature reading of each piece. The chicken's within a few degrees of being done. So I'm gonna cover them up. Then I'm gonna take provolone cheese and lay it across the top. And my daughters don't want vegetables, but they do want the cheese. To get that cheese to melt quickly, we're gonna throw the dome on. The cheese is melted, the vegetables are done, the chicken's done. Let's eat, y'all. I wore my Cooking with Daryl shirt today, so we'll throw in a, are you kidding me?
5 grilling hacks that you need to know. Number 1, you can clean your grill with an onion. Make sure the grill is nice and hot, then rub half of an onion all over the grill grates. In seconds, all that caked on food from previous grilling sessions will disappear thanks to the natural fluids in an onion. Number 2, if you're tired of dry hamburgers, add an ice cube. That's right, just press an ice cube into each patty and keep it there while you grill. It will eventually melt away and keep your burgers nice and moist. Number 3, to make your grill non-stick, use a potato. That's right, just rub half a potato on the grill grates, and in about a minute, your grill will be non-stick thanks to the starches in the potato. I find this tip to be super helpful when cooking lean meats like chicken breast. Number 4, the best way to prevent wooden and bamboo skewers from burning is to soak them in water for about 30 minutes before using them. And number 5, skewering your meat, your hot dogs, your vegetables makes them so much easier to flip. All of the details are in the caption below, and make sure to follow along for more tips.
Traigo instinto de venado y no ando lampareado, ya no le he jalado al cornillo. Y si piensan que aquí se ha acabado en el viaje quedado, ya no me verán por aquí.
Grill life for you.
There. Is my wet bar. This is how we do it.
Hey, Mama, what's for dinner tonight?
I'm gonna grill us some chicken.
Okay. Do you need any help out there with... Okay. Wait a damn minute. Mama.
Smells good, don't it?
Onion versus barbecue daddy. They're telling me they don't need barbecue daddy because they're used to their onion. Let's settle it right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it going. See who wins. The Armortech mesh head scrubs all of this gunked on stuff, steam cleaning your grill. Look at that. Need a little bit more scrubbing power? Flip it and give it a scrape. Look at the steam. Bam. And there it is. The competitor, the onion. So it just gets hot and slimy. Now, here's the problem. I can't put any pressure right here the way I can with Barbecue Daddy. There's no scrubbing power at all. This is horrible. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't work. It gets slimy. It just spreads everything. It doesn't steam clean. Promise you, Barbecue Daddy's where it's at. Well, gotta bring Daddy in to finish the job the old onion couldn't do.